The next thing we're going to do is to construct our MongoDB client. To do that, we're going to be using our services collection. So we will do services, which is received in the as a parameter to configure services. We're going to say add singleton. Add singleton allows us to register a type or an object, and makes sure that there will be only one instance of this object across the entire microservice in this case. So any class that needs it will get this one instance, so it can use it. So here we're going to receive the service provider. Okay, so now we'll open an expression here. Now close this with that. And just like we did with service settings, we're going to now define or retrieve our MongoDB settings. So I'm actually going to copy this section here, and we're going to say this is going to be MongoDB settings. Okay, so is configuration get section name of MongoDB settings, and then we will again convert it into the actual MongoDB settings type. Now that we have the settings, we are able to construct the Mongo client, which, like I said before, is the class that we need to use to actually connect to MongoDB. So we will say Mongo client is a new Mongo client, and I'll import MongoDB driver here. And here what we want to pass is the connection string. So to pass the connection string, we will do MongoDB settings dot connection string. And finally, now that we have the Mongo client, we can get the instance of the database object that we care about. So we will do return Mongo client get database. And then what's the name of our database? Well, the name of our database is going to be the one that we define for the service name. Service name is catalog. Our database will be just catalog. For service settings, that service name, and that's it. So with this section, we have defined a singleton object that represents an iMongo database that's going to be injected, as you remember, into items repository over here. Is going to be landing over here, iMongo database. So here's where we're constructing and registering it with the service container.